Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, chapter 13th, practical geometry. So what is there in the chapter? It is like construction. What is a construction? Construction is a drawing that is made using geometrical instruments. Means when you draw something using geometrical instruments in a proper way, that is known as construction. Now we have different shapes, different geometrical shapes. First is a circle. You already aware about this shape circle. It is in the form of like this. We have many circular shapes in our day-to-day life, like we have coins, bottle caps, bangles, chapatis, and so many other things. Now how we construct a circle? First thing is you mark any point O on a drawing sheet as center of the circle. We know center is a point on the circle. So if we mark, suppose this is the point O. So this is center of the circle. Now what you need to do is you have to open the compass for the required radius, whatever is the radius given. And then keeping the point of the compass on center, you draw the circle. I am going to do the exercise questions, then it will be more clear to you. This is exercise 13.1 from the book. Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Now you have to draw the circle of radius 3 cm. It means you have to open the compass how much of radius 3 cm. How you will do it? You will take a scale and compass with a pencil. Now open the radius to be 3 cm. Open the compass keeping the tip on the 0 point. And then open the compass in such a way that it should reach 3 cm on the circle like this. So it is exactly 3 cm. We should open a little more. Okay. So now you can see it is on the 0 and this is 3 cm exactly. So with any point at the center, let this is my center and I am going to draw the circle with radius 3 cm like this. So your radius, your center should be fixed properly. It should not move. Only then you will be able to draw a perfect circle. So I have drawn a circle like this. Now this point is the center of the circle. You have to mark what is the radius here. The radius in this case, radius is from center to the boundary. So in this case my radius is 3 cm. You have to label all the things perfectly. Next, B part of the question is you have to draw the circle with radius 4.5 cm. Now what you will do, you will open the radius to be 4.5 cm. So it is like this. Open with the help of a ruler and then with any point at the center you will mark the circle. So it's quite easy. Just take any point as the center and then mark the circle with the given radius and then give the name to that point as the center and mark the radius also and write what is the radius. It is 4.5 cm. So this is my circle of radius 4.5 cm. Second question is, with the same center O, draw 3 circles having radii 2.5 cm, 3.5 cm and 4.5 cm. What is the special name given to such circles? Now with the same center O means you have one center and you have to draw the circles of different radii with that center only. Now suppose if this is the center of the circle, let this is the center of the circle. First I have to draw the circle with the radius 2.5 cm. Now 2.5. Open firstly the compass with a radius of 2.5 cm. Now with this center draw the circle. This is my circle with radius 2.5. Next you have to draw the circle with radius 3.5 cm. 3.5, again open the circle, open the compass with the radius 3.5, keeping this as center, draw the circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. So the inner circle is having the radius 2.5. This is 2.5 centimeter. The outer one is having the radius 3.5 centimeter. One more circle you need to draw of 4.5 radius. So when I will be drawing 4.5, it will go like this. Open the compass with the radius of 4.5, keeping this as center. You will be drawing the circle with radius 4.5 centimeter. Now it is going out of the page. You can draw it perfectly. So this kind of circle with radius 4.5 centimeter you will be drawing here. This is of radius 4.5 centimeter. So what is the name of such circles? I already told you the circles which are having the same center but different radii, they are known as concentric circles. C-O-N-C-E-N-T-R-I-C, concentric circles. Next, third question is, draw a circle with center O, draw another circle whose boundary passes through O. Okay, we don't have radius, so we can open any radius. Okay, I am taking the radius as 3 centimeter. So I am drawing a circle with the radius 3 centimeter like this, and I am giving the name to this circle center as O. Next, what you need to do is draw another circle whose boundary passes through O. It means I have to keep my pencil here so that it passes through the point O. Now whatever is your radius, see how much will be the radius. It is clear from center to this. It will be the radius same as the 3 centimeter that I have already taken. So again the boundary of the next circle should pass through the center O. It means I have to draw the circle like this. So this is my new circle having center here on the boundary of first circle. Next, question number 4 is, draw a circle of radius 4.2 centimeter, mark points P, Q and R such that, okay, firstly let us draw the circle with a radius of 4.2 centimeter. So please open it perfectly. 2 is here, 2 lines are here like this. After 4 I am having 2 lines here, and mark this 0 point here on the pencil. Now draw a circle with radius 4.2 centimeter. So this is my circle with radius 4.2 centimeter. You have to mark points P, Q, R such that P is on the circle. If this is the center, P should be on the circle, anywhere on the circle. So let this is the point P. Q is in the interior of the circle, anywhere in the interior. So I am taking Q here. R is in the exterior. So let us take R here. Exterior means outside the circle. So these are the 3 points P, Q and R. Next is 6th question. Draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, let us firstly open the compass with a radius of 5 centimeter. So here I am keeping 5 here and my pencil will be at the 0 point. Now let us draw the circle with a radius of 5 centimeter here. So this is my circle with radius 5 centimeter. Mark 3 points P, Q and R at a distance of 4.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5.5 centimeter from the center of the circle. As you can see here, the 3 markings are given to you, 4.5, 5 and 5.5 from the center. So from the center, with the help of ruler you can do this.